Happy Wednesday, third graders! Today in Research Clubs, we are talking about a note-taking strategy called boxes and bullets. Boxes and bullets looks a little bit like this. We have a main idea that's in a box, and then we have bullets beneath that box that are our supporting details. So our main idea is what the text is mostly about. And the supporting details are kind of like the evidence or the proof from the text that the main idea is true. So for our activity today, we're going to head over to Epic. And I want you to choose a book from your collection on Epic to read today. I chose to read this book called Penguins. And while I was reading, I found this chapter called Predators and Other Threats. And I chose to do my boxes and bullets on this chapter. So I'm going to read you the chapter first. Predators and Other Threats. Whales, seals, and sea lions are penguins' top threats at sea. On land, adults have few predators, but chicks have a hard time. Seabirds, such as gulls, eat them. Oil spills from ships are a big problem. Oil coats penguins' feathers. The oil makes it hard for them to keep warm. They also clean their feathers with their beaks. The oil they swallow makes them sick. All right, I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to go back to my boxes and bullets. So I'm going to think about what was the main idea of that chapter. I think it was penguins have predators. Penguins have predators. Okay, now what details do I know that support my main idea that penguins have predators? I'm going to go back to my text and look. Whales, seals, and sea lions are penguins' top threats at sea. That's a good supporting detail. So I'm going to say whales, seals, and sea lions are all threats to penguins. What else is a supporting detail from this chapter? I could say gulls, so seabirds such as gulls eat chicks. Chicks are sometimes eaten by gulls when they are on land. And I remember something about oil spills in that chapter, so I'm going to go back and reread. Oil spills from ships are a big problem. Oil coats penguins' feathers. The oil makes it hard for them to keep warm. They also clean their feathers with their beaks so they swallow the oil. So the oil they swallow makes them sick. So I'm going to add a supporting detail. That is oil that is spilled in the ocean can harm penguins and make them sick. Now, I have my 3 supporting details finished. If I wanted to, I could do some more, but we only need to do 3 today. So in your activity on Seesaw, you have a boxes and bullets that looks like this. You're going to put your main idea here, not about penguins, about your animal, and your supporting details in the 3 boxes with the bullet points. I would use this text box so you can type in it. Some of us are using our finger to type and it gets a little bit messy when we have to write complete sentences. I've added 2 to our activity today. You don't have to do both, but I want you to try at least 1. Good luck!